For the first time, I decided to invest in the Ghana stock market to see how it works and all that. So I invested 5,000 Ghana cedis, and now it has turned to 7,444 Ghana cedis, and I did a video about that. But aside that, something else happened. MTN has sent me some extra money worth 94 Ghana cedis. At first I thought maybe, if you are doing Momo transactions, they can be giving you some extra bonuses or some interest or something like that, but I read the description and I realized that it's not that. So it was from the stocks that I bought. As you bought the stocks, like MTN again give me some extra 94 Ghana cedis. So in this video, I'm going to explain how that is. It's called Dividend, and I'm going to explain that into details for you. So this was what they sent. They said an amount of 94 Ghana cedis 21 pesos has been credited to your mobile money account, 2025 interim MTN dividend. So basically what they sent is called dividend, and dividend is just an amount that the companies on the stock market they mostly share, or like they mostly share to motivate people who have been investing with them or buying their shares. So for instance, there are a lot of big companies on the stock exchange already, right? So let's say MTS says that Ghana Commercial Bank is doing well, so they want to also catch up in a way. What they can do is that they would like to motivate more people to come and buy shares from them. So they'll give you some free shares, and then you just calculate, or you just multiply it by the rate at which the stock market is, and then they'll automatically transfer that into your bank account. So I don't know how they do it exactly, how the calculation is done, but my share, or what I got from the dividend, was 94 Ghana cedis, and I think this is good. And they basically do this to motivate us. So as I've seen that like this, the next time it can ginger me to go and buy more MTN shares. So it's not only MTN, other companies can also decide to also give dividend for people who are holding their shares. So basically that's what the stock market is about. So sometimes it can be good, sometimes it can be bad, but if you are holding it for a longer period, like 5 years and above and all that, there's no way you are going to go down, because and especially if you choose the companies wisely, it will be difficult for you to go down. And one thing you must also know is that you don't have to go and put all your money into MTN. Me, I didn't do it like that. I buy some of Total, and I bought some of Ghana Commercial Bank, and I bought most of them is MTN, but all of them came up, and then I made some good profit. But it's only MTN that gave me the shares, because give me dividend. If you check the platform, you can see that other companies are their rates are way above MTN. So one thing MTN can do to catch up in a bit is to give out dividends. So if the other companies also they can also give dividend to motivate more people to come and to hold their shares. So basically guys, this is how I got some extra income from MTN just by holding their shares. Now if you don't understand what stock market is all about, or the Ghana stock market is all about, I did a video on it, and it's going to be the first one pinned in the comment section or in the description, so you can watch it so that you understand what the stock market is. You don't rush and go into something that you don't understand. Get the understanding first before you do you get started. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in another video.